Hello, everyone. Good evening. Happy Diwali. Hope you all have a safe Diwali, and I wish your dreams come true in the near future and you become part of the profitable pack going forward. Okay, so many of the members are asking for a video from a very long time, and due to my health conditions in family members and schedule that I'm running through, it was not really easy for me to make videos on a regular basis. However, I thought this long weekend will be the right time to make one video that will help you become a better trader and also improve your approach towards trading, the views that I suggest, and also um, achieve consistency over greed and fear for greater results. Okay, so without taking much time, I'm um, going to jump into things that we thought we'll discuss. So apart from what you have asked, I thought I'll share one investment strategy and also a few things about risk management. So when I thought all this putting everything into one video will definitely take more than 2 hours, I'm gonna bifurcate it into two videos, and first one will only focus on uh, things that are relevant for the premium channel members, and second one will be about the strategy risk management part and investing or any other informative things that will be an add-on. It's an optional thing. If you want to, you can access, or you can just ignore and stick with only the first thing. Okay, quickly jumping into based on the questions that I received after sharing a lot of informative videos, I understand people really don't have time to go through the videos. They don't want to listen, they just want to forward or just want to ask the questions back to the person. I can surely say with 100% that not even one Telegram channel admin will reply patiently or instantly like how our group is doing. And I definitely receive that as a feedback from many of them that, sir, after once I join, they will not reply till renewal. But you are not like that. You are something else. Uh, See, it's not about you know um, taking your money or jumping away, moving away from things and just ignoring. It's about help. And I'm a professional trader, and I thought I can help you. Then if I'm busy, I will not reply. That's what I'll tell whoever pings me. If you have queries, always try to reach out to us. So if there is something that we can do, we'll definitely try to work out and improve your approach to make some money using our views. Okay. And disclaimer, whatever is being taught here will be only for educational purpose, and we are not responsible for any profit or loss that you make. And it's a standard disclaimer these days. Okay. So quickly jumping into, I'll take examples from the um, very recent trades that we gave, maybe on 21st. You can take it that way. So few of the trades were like buy above 138, 140, and a few of them are like buy near 185, 190. So quickly starting with that, whenever we say it's a buy near, for example, Nifty 17,750 C was a buy near 180, 185. Okay, SL whatever we give 160 and targets will be 200 plus. So uh, people also have queries on what does it mean SL refers to stop loss. Okay, it's a point where you cut your positions and limit your loss. Okay, meaning you have to exit at that point and limit the loss of it. I mean, there can be a possibility if you do leave it, it can eat up all your capital, irrespective of things, because it's not a stock, it's an option. And option trading involves capital risk. That's why you should be very vigilant in following stop losses. Then what does TGT refers? It refers to target, basically a point at which you need to book profits in your existing positions and exit the trade. Simple. One is to exit and book loss, one is to exit and book profit. Okay. So exit हो गया, entry हो गया, sorry, SL हो गया, target हो गया. Now remains the entry part. So I'll put it here. Entry part, we have two categories: buy above type, buy near type. So when I say buy near, let's say the current market price, CMP refers to current market price, is at 195. Do not jump and buy at 195. Wait for the price to come into this range. It should be bought in this range. If not, you can buy at 187, 188 maximum, but not at 195 for sure. So this is one way. And when I say buy above 190 and price is near 180, 165, never ever think that 180, 190. So it was mentioned 190. I'm getting it at 170, which is cheaper than 190, and I will enter the trade. So most of the members who are a little older in the group and the old members, they definitely know when I say stop loss of 171, 155, something, whatever, they see U-turns from 155, 156, 155, 20 paisa. And they say, sir, how do you define the stop loss? That's a complete different logic. We see this stretch that how much maximum it can give a drop down, and that's how a stop loss is defined. So when you enter at a point wherever you you want to, it's not it's not it's not sorry, it's not advisable. Okay, always entry should be above. And when I say above, people say, sir, I should watch it all day and wait for 190 and enter. No, simple, simply you can use buy, stop loss, limit, order. So people have asked me, what is it? I said, I can't teach you these basic things which are something that you need to know. But as part of this, I just cover what is buy, SL limit, order. So if you go to your trading account, so we are talking about 17,750 Nifty call option. I'll try to pick that one only. Okay. So this is the option, right? When I say buy, you need to click on buy, then quantity, how much? Lot size is 50. So 50 into 2 or 3, whatever. Then order type, you need to keep it as SL limit. Then you see two columns. One is trigger price one is normal price. Okay, I don't know, it's zoomed in. 1 second. Okay, so now you can see the price of this instrument is 40. Okay, so it's 40. Let's say you can see here bid, ask, buyer at 38, seller at 40. Okay, day high 73, day low 29. If I say buy above 50, you can keep advance order and keep the product at delivery because there is no margin difference. Like if you put it in intraday, you will get extra margin. If you put it in delivery, you'll get less margin. Nothing like that. So just put it delivery, and order type should be SL limit, which is stop loss limit order, and 55 should be the trigger. 56 should be the order, or you can keep 55, 50, and 56. So what does this order defines? As soon as price touches 55, 50 paisa, okay, this order for 500 quantity for Nifty 17,750 call option will go into the market to buy at 56. So 500 quantity for a buy rate of 56 will go into the market when the price touches this point. If not, this order will stay active in the system as long as you cancel it, or it will get cancelled post market closes. So this is advance buy order keeping mechanism. Okay, there is one more concept called GTT, um, using which you can place stop loss and targets both at the same time, and I'll not explain that right now, because it needs a real time scenario or live market scenario to explain in detail. Instead, what I suggest is you can simply go to YouTube and search depending on the broker you have, whether it's a Zerodha, Kite, Paytm, Allies Blue, whatever broker you use. Just go and Google it, uh, search on the YouTube, you will find the relevant solution. Or always you can call your broker helpline, customer care service, whatever you call it, and ask them to provide more details, and they are there to help, and they will definitely help. I'm not the right point of contact to teach all those basic contexts. Okay, but still these things will help a beginner, reason I'm saying in detail. Okay, so order placement is done, entry is done, SL is done, targets are done. So how to hold or how to trade the positions? Simple rules that if you go into the channel, you will find a message mentioning quantity management rules, where I clearly mentioned if your capital is less than 50,000, okay, less than 50,000. Simple, keep it simple. Bank Nifty, take two lots. Nifty, take two lots. Fin Nifty, take two lots. Whenever I mention limited quantity, everything take one lot. Whenever I mention hero zero, take one lot. Simple, easy to follow for people who have capital less than 50K but more than 25, 30,000. And let's say your capital is less than 20K, less than 20. Bank Nifty. I'll copy this. This should be fine. Bank Nifty. One lot Nifty. One lot Fin Nifty. One lot whenever I say limited quantity. avoid hero zero one lot. That's it. Okay. Now don't text me saying, sir, my capital is 1 lakh. What should I do? Simple. 1 lakh means just multiply with this quantity, na? If you are not fine with that much of risk, make it 3 lots, 3 lots, and hero zero 2 lots. If you are having 2 lakh capital, make it 5 lots or 6 lot, 5 to 6 lot. Hero zero 3 lots, hero zero 3 lots. Okay. This is the rules that you need to follow. Again, so um, coming to target rules, target one and target two. So always for a low capital trader, my suggestion will be to just book at target one and close the positions. Okay. Uh, if you want to utilize fully, sir, your target to gives 100 points, 120 points, 150 points. At least you should be a trader. You should be a two lot trader, minimum of two lot trader. Okay. And your objective always should be book one lot at target one and keep SL near cost. For second lot with target 2. Got it? So I'll give you an example for this. For example, I say buy Bank Nifty 34,700 call option near 340, 345. Okay. SL 290. Targets 390, 440 plus. Okay. So once you buy this, two lots are bought. Two lots are bought. Okay. Watch your risk. 340 minus 290 is 50 rupees. 50 into two lots. Uh, two lots is what? 50 quantity in Bank Nifty. 50 rupees into 50 quantity. It will be 2,500 is the risk for this trade. Okay. And so you took the position for two lots. Let's say it hit SL directly. You will lose 2.5, no doubt in that. If it hit target target one, which is 390. So 340 minus 390 minus 340. 50 points is the gain. Let's say one lot booked at 390. You will make 50 points again. Lot size is 25. Bank Nifty ka. So one lot booked at 390 will give 50 points into 25. It gives 1250 rupees profit per lot, that one lot. Next for the second lot, you kept an SL near 340. Okay, if that's hit, you came out of the trade with zero loss. I mean, you already made 1250. Some profit is there in your pocket, and there will not be any loss on the trade for the second lot. Let's say if second lot went up to 440, you made 100 points, meaning 340 is your entry, target to exit, 440 is your exit, which is 100 points. 440 minus 340. 100 points is the profit on the second lot. Booked at 440 means this lot you will have a profit of 2,500 per lot. So overall you will make 3,750 profit on this trade. Simple. So Ideology is, it's all about your risk appetite. Let's say you are a safe trader, you can simply book the 50 points and just close the trade at 390, or you can book one lot at 390 and wait for second lot with SL as 340, so that you will not incur loss if you want to wait, and you also capture some profitability. See, end of the day, I if you have heard of hundreds of gurus and all, no one can catch complete high of a trade or low of a trade. So it's as simple as it is. Just keep booking and move comfortable. Try to achieve consistency over greed. Don't think that I'll buy 100 lots today and make 10,000, 40,000 in just 10 points. Think that I'll capture 40 points, 30 points, 70 points, 100 points with one lot. That way, what happens is, over a period of time, when you really grow constantly with consistency, you will achieve a bigger figures with ease. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. Again, trading, there was this person, I'll definitely not name anyone, don't worry. Um, he traded 40 lots of Bank Nifty that I suggested in the last minute, where I really mentioned it's a risky trade, and his capital is around 8.5 lakh. Okay, so depending on the same rules, I said if your capital is 8 lakhs, okay, you should be taking around 10 to 20 lots, depending on if I say limited quantity, by you take 8 to 10 lots, and if I say non-risky trade, if I don't mention anything, you can just take some 15 to 20 lots. So I will definitely not suggest a starter to do this. And I asked that person also to do for the first month with only 2 to 4 lots, to understand how we are suggesting and how we are able to follow. Then slowly increase the quantity by 4 lots. Okay. But this is the first week. Every day he traded 4 lots. And on Friday, for one trade, he traded 40 lots. 40 lots, literally 40 lots, which is Bank Nifty 25 quantity, which is 1000 quantity. 25 is the lot size, so 1000 quantity in single shot. Okay. On the entire week, he made a profit of, you will not believe, 47,000. And in the single trade, he lost close to 42,000. Net profit is 5,000 for the week. Still, I mean, that's a very nominal plus for whatever effort he has, put in for the entire week. But instead, just understand, if he has really taken only 4 lots for this trade, this might have become 100 quantity, and this loss might have become just 4,200, and this profit might be close to 42,000, and that's definitely a happy Diwali. So quantity rules really, really, really play a very vital role in your trading journey. And I'm a person who suggests the smaller stop losses for a bigger targets. And I really like taking trades that give 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4, and sometimes 1 is to 5. Because one trade with 1 is to 4 will give will give coverage for the next three stop losses very easily. Okay, so that's about it. Um I think this should be fine to give a basic idea on how to trade um you know Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So people also ask, which one to trade? Always current week expiry. Okay. So current week expiry, Bank Nifty and Nifty will have expiry dates usually Thursday. Okay. So if you open the calendar, you can see 6th, 13, 20, 27. These are the expiries. If you go to the next month, 3rd, 10th, 17, 24. These are the expiries. Whichever expiry comes at the end, that will be the monthly expiry. So in October, 27th is the monthly expiry. Okay. In December, 24th will be the monthly expiry. Okay. So you can see here expiry dates. If I just why am I unable to click on this? Okay, I'll select some instrument. Okay. You can see 27th, 3rd, 10th, 17th, 24th, 1st December, 8th November. Now we spoke about the same dates, right? You can see in October or from here, see 27th in October, 3rd, 10th, sorry, November, 3rd November, 10th November, 17th November, 21st November. In December, 1st, 8th, and as follows. Okay. So when I say 20th, the expiry day will be done. So what we will trade from 21st till 27th will be 27th expiring options in case of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay. So in case of Fin Nifty, the expiry Fin Nifty expiry will be every Tuesday usually. Okay. So why they kept it, I don't know. That's there and we can follow it. So you can see Fin Nifty. Now you can see what is the date of expiry for Fin Nifty? 25th October, which is a Tuesday. So if I open this, you can see the dates in November. Okay, in November, 1st, okay, 7th, meaning 8th is a holiday. 15th, 22nd, 29th. So whenever there is a holiday, either it's on Tuesday or Thursday, expiry will happen the before day. So in case of Thursday, it will happen on Wednesday. In case of Monday, it will happen on, sorry, in case of Tuesdays, it will happen on Monday. Okay. So that is the case for expiry sessions. I'll not specifically mention which week's expiry it is. It is always current week's expiry. If it's a monthly expiry, if it's some other expiry, I'll specify the expiry date also that this belongs to this expiry. Watch and buy. This is for index. Okay. So what about stock options? Stock options always have only one expiry, that is monthly expiry, and it will be last Thursday of the month. Always last Thursday of the month. Whenever last Thursday is a holiday, expiry will happen on last Wednesday for that specific month. Okay. So we can take look of that also. Maybe I'll type some stock option, anything. Reliance. Okay, Reliance. You can see here November, December, January dates. Okay. Sorry, October, November, December. October 27th matching, which is last Thursday of the month. November 24th, 30th is the last day, which is Wednesday. So next first is December 1st. So 24th November is the expiry. December 29th, 29th December matching. So this is the expiry. So till the time broker allows you without margin, without asking for additional margin. So what happened is brokers are, I mean, are not allowing you to trade stock options on the expiry day due to this new SEBI rule which have implemented for physical settlement. So simple, I'll tell you what physical settlement is. Um, so let's say, let's go with this option only. Reliance spot price is 2,471, and let's say by expiry, if you hold Reliance call options for 2,460, you can exercise your right to get Reliance shares. Okay. So when you are saying you want to get Reliance shares, Reliance lot size is 250. So 250 into 2,460 plus additional whatever charges and all. That much amount should be there in your trading account, which will be approximately some 7 lakhs, and that amount will be debited. Instead, you will get Reliance shares into your account. This is the physical settlement policy that has been appeared recently. And obviously, we are trading options for quick profits or 1 day holding profits, but not to get shares of Reliance, Infosys, or whatever stock it is. So, brokers are having this coverage margin. I mean, they are ensuring that your account has that much margin for you to trade that option in the last week of expiry. Reason they will keep asking you more margin post this week. So 27th is last week. So till post Friday, you have to pay extra margin if you want to trade this week's stock options. So what we will do in the last week, personally, we will update you that from this day, you need to trade next month's November series stock options, and based on that, you need to follow. You will not be able to trade the current month's expiry stock options. But till the time it's allowed, till the time it's asking, let's say 2460 stock option is 40 rupees. You can see it's 40, 39, 40 rupees. 40 into 250. If it's asking 10,000 only, till the time you can trade happily without any issues. Okay. This is about the stock option side of expiry. Um, so if you ask about, sir, you have told index, bank nifty, fin nifty, how to trade stock option side. Stock options will also, most of the times, the rules for buy near or buy above are always simple. Buy above is simple. Again, use SL limit order. Buy near, try to take in range, or um, I'll tell you, wait, let's say 170. Huh. Buy in range or 2.5% from the mentioned range. Meaning, for example, I'll again give you one example for this. For example, let's say Navin Floor 4,400 call option, buy above 181, SL 160, targets 200, 240 plus. Okay, maximum you can buy 181 into 102.5%. Up to 185.50, that's okay to buy, not beyond that. Meaning, um, up to another 500 to 700 rupees maximum, more than the mentioned price, not beyond that. Okay, this should be the approach in case of stock options. SL, strictly you need to follow. Targets, stri- strictly you need to follow. Of course, there is a different safe guidance that's been suggested. If you are a safe trader, or a small capital trader of 40K, 50K, and still want to do stock options, I always suggested you booking 1500 to 2000 per trade and get out. So there are questions like, sir, so and so trade ran 10,000 rupees and I want to book entire 10,000 rupees. For me, let's say I took 20 lots. I exit 10 lots at target 1, 5 lots in between of target 1 and 2, and another 5 lots at target 2. This is how I exit max. If I feel very bullish, I may hold it for next day, 1 or 2 lots, and see as a BDST will it give anything. Okay. And for a safe trader, um, there are like people who say, sir, for so and so trade you give stop loss 4,000. I lost 4,000 in one trade, and another trade I made only 1,500. Another trade I made 1,500. End of the day, my result is minus 1,000. So this is what happened, sir. SL hit, safe book. I did safe book here. This is not correct, and you will never survive in this way. So if you are booking 1,500 to 2,000 per trade, maximum SL for each trade, you also have to ensure 2K or 2.5K max. That's how you need to follow safe rules. Okay. So I'll give you one example for this also. I'm trying to be as clear as I can. Uh, who are not really interested about stock options can stop the video here. Uh, but there will be a second video about the strategy and details. You can refer to that. Okay. So for example, um, let's trade let's take the example of RBL Bank trade that was suggested on 21st. Okay. Or let's make it more simple. Let's take the Maruti trade of 87 PE suggested to buy at a range of 65 to 70 with an SL of 55 and targets of 85, 100 plus. Simple. Lot size Maruti is 100 quantity. Okay. So it made a low of 67 and went up. So let's say you took entry at 70 for two lots. This suggestion is already shared. You want to refer to that message, you can refer two lots, which is 200 quantity. So 200 quantity for 70 rupees, it is how much? 14,000 is your investment. So Maruti ran up to um, full target though, but let's say at 80 you saw it for 200 quantity, it will be 16,000, meaning running profit of 2,000 per that trade. Okay, I did something I shouldn't add plus. Okay, 2,000 profit. Now you need to close this profit and come out of the trade if you are a safe trader. Else you can close one lot and leave one lot with stop loss of 65. Who will ask? Okay. So which one hit stop loss on 21st? Let me see. Bank of Baroda. No, that's smaller only. Uh, this is the problem. There are close to 15 trades. In that, 4 stop losses hit and loss is less than 2,500 for any trade. Now you tell me from here I should pick and give an example. That's okay. I'll see backwards. Backwards in the sense on 20th there should be something now. 20th, 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 20th. Where is it? 40,100 call option gave a stop loss of 3,000. Okay, I'll pick that one only. 40,100 call option. Where are you? Um, Sorry, I can't. I'm unable to find the trade. And I don't want to waste your time so much. Okay, let me take an example and complete this. That's okay. Let's say I gave Maruti 8C buy near 80, targets 100, 140. SL is 40 rupees. Okay, deep SL. Maybe a risky trade, so I gave deep SL. Let's assume that way. Okay, SL is deep. So lot size, let's say, ठीक है, this is 100 lot na. Lot size, let's say 100 quantity. SL I gave 60. So obviously, this lots which are less than 250, the suggestion is to trade two lots. So two lots means 200 quantity. So what's the risk? 80 minus 60, 20 rupees is the risk. Risk for this trade is 20 rupees. So 20 into 200, two lots. So risk for this trade is 4,000 for the trade. Okay. So what you are doing is, being a safe trader, you are booking this 2000. Happily, you are booking the 2000. Next, you are booking this loss of 4000 if the SL is hitting. Instead, what I suggest is, let's say this trade got active, 80 you took entry. As soon as you see 70, just exit na. At 70, 10 rupees loss. 10 rupees into 200 quantity. 2000 rupees loss. 2000 rupees loss. So when you do it that way, at the end of the day, let's say I give trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Assume 6 trades are given. One booked 25, sorry, one booked 1500, one booked 2000, one booked 1500, one booked 1500. One loss you booked 2000, one more loss you booked 2000. So following safe rules, let's assume that you booked profit, 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 loss, loss. What will be the net product? Profit, na? Objective is achieved. And also say, I also said, if you are making profit on the first two trades, usually that happen before 11 a.m. only. Just close the day, buddy. If you are making 3 to 4,000 for 40,000, 50,000, what you want to do, which is almost like, you know, more than 8% in single day. Just end the day, na? Come back tomorrow. Just take one or two trades, close the day, go back. Just keep repeating that. Over a month, you will definitely be in a better number. That 40, 50K will give you that 20K, at least 15K. Enough na 35% in a month. Think in terms of compounding 35% every month for next 12 months. Every month you make 15K. Assume you are making 15K and just removing it and adding it into your bank FD. Next 12 months that will give you 1.8 lakh, and this 50 will stay as 50. In an year it will become 2.4 lakh plus without compounding. Don't ask me what is compounding right now. But if compounding happens, I mean, if you increase quantity every 2 months, that will become some big number only. And I'll be very conservatively showing numbers. And some asked me, sir, you calculated for this so and so trade as per target to 10,000 on 4 lots and as per target to 5,000 on 2 lots. But I exited at target one. How do you justify your stats? If you remember, every weekend, once I calculate the stats number, once I calculate it, if it's 1.5 lakh, 1 lakh, 90,000, 80,000, whatever it is, I'm literally cutting it to half and saying, if not 1.4 lakh, at least 60, 70,000 is very easy over this week, which gives answer for all your queries where you are stating that this is the, as per your calculation, but I'm not achieving the number. So it's all mathematics. You need to simply manage your risk. Capital protection should be the first objective. Second comes the conservative booking approach. Third comes the consistency. Fourth comes the greed and fear management. Just be a robo, get into the trade, take money, get out. That's it. Don't have to think about like, you know, uh, how to how should I make money? How should I take a jackpot trade today? All that stuff. That's all not at all suggested or not at all. Uh, it will not be a professional approach. And I'll tell you one thing. Um, being a retail trader, always look for event days to trade and make money. Like let's say today is an RBI monetary policy or RBI policy, or tomorrow there is an election result out. Tomorrow there is some event, GDP data, inflation data. Big investors basically avoid trading on event days. We retailers shouldn't trade much on that day, especially on those event days. Try to reduce quantity and trade. If you want to trade, obviously it's upon you. Like it will not cost me. And if you make money in 1 2 trades, just reduce quantity at least for the third trade, because the you know spikes that come in those days are the toughest ones. They just hit stop loss. As soon as you exit, it will again become 100 from 50. That is what they do, and that's how most of the time we get trapped. And hero zero, what is hero zero trade? Many asked, what is hero zero trade? Basically, on a expiry day, what happens is there is a possibility of an option trading at 50 to 100 rupee range to turn 150 to 300. So that trade SL will be zero. Most of the times SL will be zero. Meaning, if you are ready to lose this 40 rupees, you can expect a target of 120 to 200. Okay, meaning 3x to 5x of your money possible on these bets. And this is very high risk. So let's say a bank nifty lot size is 25. If you take two lots into 40 rupees, it will be 25 into two lots into 40 rupees. 2000 is the risk that you can do, not 20,000. 2000 is the risk that you can do for a reward of 4 to 8,000 max. This should be the aim of a hero zero trade. If this is 1000, I mean, you trade only one lot, I am more than happy than anybody else, because I don't want you to lose money than saving it more and being a conservative trader. Again, conservative means few people come and say, sir, I booked 10 points in Bank Nifty. What you will get? 5 points, everything covers your brokerage and charges and all. What you will do with 10 points in Bank Nifty? Minimum book 25 to 30 points on any trade, even if you're a safe trader. That will definitely increase or add your capital. Um, so before ending this video and moving to the next video, I want to tell you again. So zero the, I'm not against zero the portal wise, interface wise, everything wise, it's awesome. It's really fantastic. It's really user friendly, even on the mobile app. I totally agree. But they do not allow OTM options. Okay, OTM options. What is OTM? Out the money options. They will not allow out the money options. Mm, just give me a second. I'll just try to log in and see if I can find anything on out the money options that I can show you. Mm, I'm fine with Zerodha, but problem is you can't trade out the money options. That will obviously create a problem. So if you can see my screen again, I just paused it for a while. Okay. So you can see Bank Nifty is at 40,800, right? Let's say if I say 40,000 or 39,500 put option I want to buy, which is trading at 40. Okay. I don't know, it should show. See, you got this error. On the top, you can see. I don't know if I can minimize. Yeah, you can see it, right? Use MIS to trade with no conversion. This is a risk management. Okay, well, let me put MIS. Iceberg is a different thing. Hmm. So this is the important point, not the in conversion and all. I don't know. My MIS will not work either ways. You can only trade between 4600 to 4900, which are at the money options or in the money options, but not out the money. And zero the why it will have it, because they are blocked based on the regulations that SEBI has prescribed. I mean, zero the limit is breached because many of the accounts are in zero the and most of the people try to trade in zero the, and that's blocked because of the same reason, simple reason. So you can read it here, why I may not be able to place Bank Nifty option. All strikes are allowed in intraday. For overnight, certain strikes are blocked because of the market wide open limit. This is the exchange sets an upper limit for every broker at 500 crores or 15% of the total open interest. I don't ask again what is open interest. Just Google it. Okay. As per Zerodha, has a substantial number of users actively trading in index options. To maintain the OI limits within the allowed ranges, buying OTM out the money options for certain strikes are restricted. Coincidentally, we have observed that the restriction on buying naked options, which are risked contracts, reduce the overall risk for traders. So they are apart from the regulation what they placed, they are also blocking few orders. Okay, what is allowed? Option buying, selling, all strikes intraday. But sometimes I give hero zero for tomorrow. How will you take it? Option selling with no restrictions. Long positions allowed any range till their count is equal to the short one. Meaning you need to long one, you need to create one short. Both will become zero, and then you sit, your capital will wash out and you sit on the road. That's what will happen when you do both. That's foolish. How do I trade restricted? I don't know what is this. I never tried this. I will not open all these foolish things for one such reason. Instead, I simply shift to a broker which is equivalent to Zerodha or which is cost effective as well than Zerodha. Okay. This is the message that will come, right? Buy orders are blocked for this due to prescribed limits by SEBI. You can exit position or place order in this range. If I say 55, 500, 5400, that will not come. Okay. So getting back to things, like I said, I will go with Allies Blue or Upstocks. Both the interfaces are well maintained and similar to Zero the user face only. See, at the end of the day, what happens is people are habituated to few brokers and they don't want to move out because they like the interface and they feel it tough again moving to a different interface. Same thing happened for me to come out of Zerodha, but sooner, I mean, not even like 1 month it took for me, less than 1 month it took for me to habituate to Upstocks and also LIS Blue. I use both. Both are pretty fast, pretty good, and websites are good, applications are all good. LIS Blue, in fact, also launched a new application which is 2.4 version, which is really superb. I don't know. I mean, I wrote a lot of feedbacks to them. Maybe they heard me. I got this new application from Elice Blue. I thought I can give you a demo, but that's not my part. It's end of the day for it's you who can choose the broker. I'm fine if you have other brokers and you are able to trade through them any orders. Okay. Next time, please do not ask me. I am unable to place order on the zero the portal. That's the objective. I have shared my referral links. If you want, you can use them and join. I can help you get those accounts open. Okay. With this, I am ending the how to trade, how to manage risk for both the premium channel session. If you have any other questions, you can definitely reach out to me, and I'll try to help you on that part. I think we have one. Huh. Okay. No issue. Yeah, I think I covered most of it. With this, I end the. Yeah. There was some network disconnection. Uh, I was saying with this, I end the session. If you still have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and rewatch the video again. And if you have any question, do reach out to me. I'll definitely be happy to help you guys. And second video will be uploaded post this. That will have some amazing techniques which are easy money making techniques. If you are really interested in investing side, that's free from my side for this Diwali as a gift. You can definitely utilize that. And thank you so much. Bye bye.